Hey YouTube, just a quick video on a front fork suspension upgrade on a Lectric XP Lite 2.0 newer version. Just ended up doing a Bologna suspension on this bike. It's aluminum. This fork is actually lighter than the fork that originally comes with the bike that is no suspension. And it's the only caveats you need to know about is this section here. I don't know what you call this on a bike, but typically is found over here, which is how your light on the electric bike is designed to like mount up here somewhere. So I ended up having to make something out of aluminum to make it work. I just welded a couple scrap plates I had and drilled through this, and I mean, hopefully I didn't sacrifice any integrity in this system here, but I think it should be fine. But this is a very nice fork. It's air based, so I'm going to have to see how long this thing holds air, you know, when you're riding on bumpy roads. I also did the Bucklos version, which is a steel version. This version is heavier than the original stock. I didn't weigh them out, but it felt very similar, a couple pounds probably heavier than the original one. And this one, you don't have to mess around with the light too much, because at all, actually, you just have to finish drilling through a hole that they preemptively put, like I think it's for a mud flap. You can just drill through here. I ended up using some pallet strapping to stabilize it. And actually it works pretty good because these things like to move laterally. What I did learn though was you do need a spacer on the new Lectric Lite models that have hydraulic brakes. I learned it the hard way. I originally had to cut this piece of a section off this PM adapter on both the top and bottom. It was quite the hassle. I ended up finding the right one, which is this one, and I'll put a link from Amazon that I ended up buying. It'll save you so much time. It actually comes with these little automatic adjusting washers too, and the bolts. Save you some money. One thing that you will also have to know is that on the neck, you're going to step down the bolt that holds this down from an 8mm to a 6mm, and essentially it is the original suspension has a welded drop part. There's a guy on YouTube called Tito with RVing with Tito, and on the old Lectric they actually had a star connector on the original fork so it looks like when Lectric came up with its new model, they made it more robust and actually welded it in there. So I'm not sure. I don't think it's going to matter. I weigh like 155 and my partner weighs 120 pounds, so I don't think it's going to matter. But essentially, I guess potentially this could pop off. I don't think it. I just finished the installation. I just took it through a couple of rides on some really bumpy terrain just to test it, but I think it should be fine. But that's just one thing to keep in mind. The screw size is going from 8mm to 6mm, and it's no longer going into a welded fork shaft. It's going to be one of those stars that you have to like pound in, and that I'll put the link for the Tito with RV with Tito, just so you can see his installation, because I basically followed his to the T, with the exception of a couple things and a couple of different add-ons, like I said, for the light. Make sure if you do something for the light, it's something pretty strong though, because this is almost 1/4 inch aluminum, and it still wants to flex. So I mean, you can use all sorts of other stuff for that. So anyways, thanks for watching.